Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get this video started, if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Also, if you find this video useful, do me a favor, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. In this video, we got a 5-cylinder Volvo 860, and we're going to do a compression test on it. First thing we need to do before we get that started is remove the cover that's right over top of the intake here that's covering your plug wires to keep moisture and corrosion from going down in there. We got to take out the four, I'm sorry, not the four, well, these four, and then there's two over here. So the 6 screws that hold it on. All right, guys, after you get those screws removed, simply just lift up on the cover and pull it off. Also, those are a T30, the Torx, the screw head, it's a T30. All right, we're gonna get this cover off. All right, guys, once you pull the cover off, pull your wires out. Make sure you label them or mark them so you don't get them mixed back up, put them back together. And then we're gonna pull the plugs out and install a compression tester. All right, guys, once you get the plugs out, you're gonna get your compression tester and you're gonna install it in each cylinder and rotate it over. Let's see what they got. All right, guys, we got the compression tester installed in one of the cylinders here. And we're gonna go crank the motor over and see what we got. All right, guys, got one cylinder here. Is that right at 190? It's a little weak. Let's see what the other ones are at. All right, guys, we got the next one installed. Let's go crank it over. All right, guys, we're back. The next one, we're at like 178. Switch it to the next one. All right, guys, let's go crank it over, see what this one's got. All right, guys, this one's right at 190. All right, let's go to the 4-cylinder. All right, guys, let's get on to the next one here. All right, guys, this one's at 180. Let's get the next one. All right, guys, we're at cylinder 5 here. Let's go crank it over, see what it's got. All right, guys, final cylinder here is about 174. All right, guys, let's get these plugs and everything installed back in this engine and get this wrapped up. Well, as you can see, I think this customer's car, it's going to need a cylinder head. Well, definitely a gasket, because it's got compression all over the place. And we'll get it all ripped apart and find out if it's got any cracks in the cylinder head or not, or if it's just a gasket. They told us they left the car running and fell asleep with it outside and it overheated. And it was for a couple hours, so it most likely cooked the head. So anyways, hopefully y'all find this video useful as far as doing a cylinder compression test on a Volvo. Again, this is a Volvo 5-cylinder 860. If you did, please subscribe to the channel. Also, I'd really appreciate it, even if you don't want to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button for me. It really helps out my channel. You'll have a great day.